Next up, chats. Automating your chats. This is so huge right now. Your website or your social media properties should have your chats automated. You know why? They're typically top 10 questions that you get as a business. That anytime you run into people, they mostly ask you about your business. Well, those should be automated as chat questions on your website or on your social media, because a lot more people that are coming to look at what you have certainly have those questions too. And with your chats, if they're already answered there you go. A lot of people don't know this, but you have to try as much as possible to enable chat automation so that even when you're sleeping, even when you're not available, your chats are answering questions for you that could lead to leads and a lot of conversions. And most importantly, you answering questions, you qualifying your leads, and you actually working while you're not physically there. It is so huge. As you can see, here you have a chat linked to the website so that when somebody comes over here and clicks start chat, they can use their messenger, continue as a guest, and they have all these top questions that we get asked already in there, where all they have to do is click it and it goes to us and we can answer, as you can see over here.